it's Isaya, and this is one of my 10 minutes tech tutorials. And today we're playing with the AI. So I've been reading a lot and listening a lot to the social media web sphere, and everybody's panicking. You know, AI is going to eat our jobs, and it's so complicated, and oh my god, and oh my god. I don't like oh my godding. I don't believe in fate, karma, as in, you know, we're going to be destroyed by the machine. I don't believe in the matrix, having already won. So I opened an account on ChatGPT, and I started playing with it, and it's so much fun and so interesting. So I wanted to, do a 10-minute tech tutorial on giving you permission to play with it. It's not going to change your life. It's not going to change the face of the world, but it might be of a lot of help and inspiration. So without further ado, let's get going. ChatGPT 101 for dummies like me. So when you open an account on ChatGPT and then you connect, you log in, this is what comes out first. And I think it's important that we read it together. So the first thing is ask away. ChatGPT can answer questions, help you learn, write code, brainstorm together, and much more. It can do pretty much anything that you ask it. So you need to be very careful and very straightforward around your questions. What you ask, ChatGPT will answer to. So, you know, think about what you're asking. And if you're asking things that are not making sense for the machine will ask you for more information, which is amazing. Second thing is it says don't share sensitive info, and I agree. This is not the place to share your life story, your bank account numbers, or anything of the sort. This is an online platform. It's free. I'm not trusting it with sensitive information. And I recommend you don't either. Check your facts, because ChatGPT is a machine. It compiles information that is already in there. So on the web, somewhere, the information that ChatGPT will give you is already there. Sometimes it's there as is, sometimes it's there in separate bits and pieces, and ChatGPT will compile it. But anyway, not everything that is on the interwebs is a fact. Many things are wrong. Many people say stupid things or uninformed things or voluntarily tell lies. So please don't trust ChatGPT to give you advice, and don't trust the facts per se, because the machine is just compiling what exists, and what exists is made up, as I was saying previously, of lies, disinformation, misinformation, errors, mistakes, and the like. So please check your facts. So once you've, read these tips, here's how it shows. So I'm going to just, sorry, I have something in the middle of my screen. So you can now set custom instructions for every time the same. I don't like that. I don't want the machine to think that I'm a machine. I'd rather surprise the machine with different questions. So what can you ask? You can, you've got some examples here, and they change every time you connect. So, sometimes write an email to request a quote from local plumbers. Suggest fun activities for a family of 4. Make a content strategy for newsletter, blah, blah, blah. So basically, you need to ask a question. A few tips and tricks. First of all, give the machine as much information as you have. So if we go for write an email to request a quote for local plumbers, you see here, it went very fast. So it actually, write an email to request a call from local plumbers for backflow testing. I need it done in the next 2 weeks. Keep it short and casual. And then poof, here's the email. Really poof, that's the thing. The machine answers very fast. Now, if you're not happy with it because you want more information, you click here and you can add some information here. I only want keep it short and polite, right? Save and submit, and it will change. So you now have 2 out of 2 answers, and this one is more polite or more highly written, right? So here on the left-hand side, you have all your various chats with ChatGPT, and you can go back to them, bin them. You can copy and paste your answer. So if you like this one, you just copy here like this, and you then paste it into your email machine, right? You can regenerate if you don't like it, if you want another version of that. And if you don't want the conversation at all anymore, you just bin it, which I'm going to do exactly because I don't want anything. Because the machine will remember you, right? Remember what kind of things you've asked, and it will learn from you, which is the amazing part, right? So just play with it, I'm doing a thing called Otaloco, which is an Oracle and Tarot Lovers Summit. So I'm very polite with the machine. I usually say, please write a promotional post for an Oracle and Tarot Lovers Congress, online Congress. 100 words. So I want it to be short, right? Oh, sorry, I'm not writing anything. So let's go emotional. Am I happy with that? Let me click. So once I click on that, the machine starts working, supposedly. Voila. Voila. And it adds, it decided to add a hashtag, which is amazing. So now the main thing is that I'm never, ever going to just copy that and paste it onto my social media with an image below saying, poof, this is done. This is a canvas to work on. This is a beginning. This is, or you can do it the other way around. You give it a text, you give the machine a text, and then say improve it, or make it more casual, or make it more polite, or make it use more a more complicated vocabulary, and the machine will do that. It's not a thing. It's not a copy and paste situation. This is never going to work I believe, for me at least, because it doesn't sound like my voice. But the interesting thing here is that when I copy this, I have a canvas, a template, kind of a basis to work with. And then I copy that into my into a Word document, basically, and tweak it, change everything, ask more information from ChatGPT, give ChatGPT more information, because it's got a wrong date right here, for instance, because I didn't give it any date. So I just picked any date that it found on the internet, and poof. So I don't need that. Also, my congress is not with renowned mystics. I am inviting as speakers readers, card readers mostly, and artists who do the thing. So this is not accurate because I did not give enough information to ChatGPT. What I can do then is rewrite with correct dates. December 1st, 2, and 3. Oh, sorry, and 3. And then, voila. And now I have a different version. It's not exactly the same. I forgot to give it a name. Hashtag Otaloco. There we are. Now it's got my hashtag. It's got the correct dates, and the post is getting better and better. Now I can copy that onto my Word document and tweak it, rewrite it, use it as a basis. So this is what I do with ChatGPT. You can ask the machine anything, to help you write your blog post, to help you plan a trip, to help you plan a course, an online course that you're planning, that you want to prepare, to help you plan your social media content, anything. The two things that to keep in mind very, very clearly is A, the more information you give it, the more you give even whole examples of your own writing style, the more accurate it will be. The more you can use what ChatGPT gives you, the more information you give it beforehand, then you can better use the text that it produces for you. Second thing to keep in mind, it is not a copy and paste situation. It is a play situation, a get inspiration situation, and then it needs your voice, your handwriting, because that is what makes you, you, and not a machine. I hope that was useful. I'm hereby giving you permission to go and play with it. It's free. It's no big deal. It's not an evil matrix that is running the world, but it is going to change the face of writing. And I think we should get used to it and start playing with it and make it fun. Voila. I hope you liked it. If you did, please subscribe and like the video. And I will see you next time with another 10-minute tech tutorial. Ooh, this one is 12 minutes. Ooh. Bye for now.